Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan shampoo. We will cover all the steps, from selecting your natural ingredients to bottling the final product. You will learn a simple, effective recipe that leaves your hair feeling clean and nourished without any animal-derived components or harsh chemicals. It is a fantastic way to customize your hair care routine, ensuring everything you use is pure and beneficial for your scalp and strands. This process is surprisingly straightforward and very rewarding. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of unscented liquid castile soap for cleansing. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. This natural humectant will ensure your hair stays wonderfully moisturized. Include 1 tablespoon of a nourishing carrier oil, like jojoba oil, to condition your scalp. Finally, have 30 to 40 drops of your favorite essential oils ready, perhaps lavender or rosemary, for their lovely scent and scalp benefits. Begin by combining your liquid castile soap, vegetable glycerin, and carrier oil in a clean bowl. Stir these components together very gently, ensuring you do not create too many bubbles at this stage. If your castile soap is particularly thick, you can warm the mixture slightly in a double boiler, keeping the temperature around 95 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle warmth helps everything blend seamlessly without compromising the integrity of the natural ingredients, preparing it for the next step. After mixing, it is crucial to let your shampoo mixture cool down entirely to room temperature. This step is very important because high heat can easily diminish the potency and aroma of your essential oils. Once fully cooled, gently fold in your 30 to 40 drops of chosen essential oils. You might also consider adding 5 drops of vitamin E oil as a natural preservative, which can help extend your shampoo's shelf life naturally and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.